exercise was to say, if this is all because you are not able to move the document forward, problem is not in our processing. We will return the document to you so that we unclutter the path and very good applicants who are waiting behind are brought in front and cleared as soon as possible. So it is exactly to facilitate faster processing of high quality documents that we are being constrained to return documents which have all of these fundamental issues, and I assure you we never return a document for active or passive voice of the document. Sunil mentioned about the Rag and the Bandish. I completely agree with him. And I think that the beauty of innovation often lies in the Bandish. It's not that you're going to invent a new Rag from somewhere. So we are extremely supportive of that. The only little bit of a problem we face sometimes is that what is presented as a Bandish actually wo Rag hi badal rahe. So they want to present it as one Rag, lekin wo Bandish laake wo pura Rag hi badal dal rahe, which of course is something that we are very watchful about. But one of the innovations that you are going to see very soon, we've already taken it to our advisory committee and I'm told that it got a very, very positive response, is a new innovation brought forward by the SEBI team, which is a combo product of a rights issue and a preferential allotment. Now what this is going to achieve is something quite transformational, as I say, get the best of both worlds. So you get the best of a rights issue, you get the best of a preferential allotment. What does this mean? It means that, first of all, the entire end-to-end process can be completed in 23 days as compared to even a preferential allotment, which the industry loves because of the speed, takes 42 days. So this innovation is actually going to almost halve the time that you need, even as compared to the fastest route available today. So this is really an expressway which we are facilitating. Now, how is this being facilitated is because we are saying that for an existing company that is going the rights way to preferential allotment, there is really no need for SEBI to get in the way. Anyway, the company is there, it's a running company, it is making all disclosures. The only thing required is to say, what are you going to use this money for, which is hopefully just 2 pages. So there is no need for SEBI to come in the way at all. So we are eliminating the SEBI step. Then we are saying it's only a 2-page document saying why you're raising money, why do you need a merchant banker? So no compulsory merchant banker. So with all of these things, the whole objective is that we should now create this equivalent of Eastern Express Highway to be able to do fundraising in a way that is fast, cost-effective, and at the same time fully protects the investor because it's the right way to a preferential allotment. So this combination product, which we will be taking to the board, PMAC has already looked at it? Okay, so we're going to bring out a consultation paper on this. So I think this is going to be a really interesting Bandish, and we hope that you enjoy the variation. The second innovation, which is going to be coming soon to a cinema near you, is something that we are calling a demystified offer document. I'd just like to call out a comment that was made to me as I was walking from the main hotel over here. The CFO of a recently listed company said to me that when they started on the journey, they were really frightened, and everybody had told them that this is really a scary process of getting listed. And he says, having been through it, I don't think that is actually the case.